Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a stock that we've never looked at before on this channel, and I know it's a very popular one. So we're going to take a look at PayPal. Let's go. Yeah, as you might be aware, we're now also covering tech stocks regularly, so you can register here on the website dailymarketupdate.com to get access to these free Elliott-Wave updates every single day. The Tech 33 package now includes a lot of different tech stocks, including Palantir, PayPal, Oracle, Netflix, Nvidia. But today we want to cover PayPal, and then I guess for the rest of the week we're going to cover some cryptos. But I know PayPal is extremely, well, interesting, popular. Also, there's an interesting setup available right now. So let's take a look at the chart. Let's start with a weekly chart because it gives us a good impression of where PayPal might go long term. Now, again, I said it many times, if a third wave is in the process of starting and we have long-term targets, there's not really any way to say how long it's going to take. Well, it should be years to complete that third wave, for example, but how long exactly is extremely difficult to say. As we navigate that third wave and that rally, we might be able to come up with some rough ideas of when a certain wave might get finished, and there are certain, proportionality guidelines, but it's not reliable. It's not reliable enough for any, let's say, trading or investment strategy. So it's best to just focus on the prices, focus on the charts. In the stock market and also in the crypto market, and in other markets, patience is required. Okay, patience is required. I mean, PayPal showed us a significant rally into the 2021 highs. I mean, this is the weekly chart, right? Showed a significant rally into the 2021 highs, and that movement was corrected, and it took a while. And we might be in the early stages of a third wave rally. We haven't really broken out to the upside yet, but you don't really want to enter after a breakout, really, because then the most of the move has already happened, or at least you're just chasing a train that's already on the go. Can be useful to look for low risk, high reward opportunities. Will they work out? Is there a guarantee? Nobody can say that. It's all about probabilities, but also reward and risk. So you have to have your risk management strategy planned out, and you need to know what you're doing in every aspect of financial markets, whether you're trading, investing. You always need to know about what you're doing in terms of risk management, when you want to get out, and so on. But looking at this, the third wave rally should take us to $559 plus. So a third wave is typically the strongest wave in a cycle, in a 5-wave cycle, and the upside breakout point on the weekly chart, important resistance, is located at $310.16. But there's a long way to get there. Now, how could that journey look like? Well, we're going to take a look at that now on the 4-hour chart. This is the 4-hour chart, and it shows you the movement from the October low. The price formed a possible, I'd say this looks like a diagonal pattern to the upside here in blue wave 1. We then saw an A wave to the downside as a so-called flat correction. It's a 3-wave corrective pattern with an overshooting B wave highlighted here in blue. That was the first leg of the correction, or the first wave of the correction. A correction is a 3-wave move. I mean, looking at that from the current perspective, now it could have been that the wave 2 already finished there. We could have interpreted it at the time as completed wave 2. And there was already a support zone on the chart, which is now grayed out. The price left it to the upside, but failed to really break out to the upside. So we didn't get that proper third wave rally. Instead, the 3-wave correction that already completed here was only the first wave of an even larger correction, which is now turning into a larger ABC pattern. So PayPal is quite busy forming this corrective, counter trend move after we had an initial rally into the December highs of last year. And then we had another overshooting B wave highlighted here in magenta, and wave C could be unfolding right now with support between $53.17 and $57.16. This is a trading area, okay? It's a trading area where you might want to look for positions if you're interested in it. As I said, risk management is very important. What are the relevant risk management levels? There are, in my opinion, two key risk management levels. So you have to decide if you want to set a stop below the invalidation point or if you want to set a stop below the trading area, below the box, because the blue box that you see on the chart there, as I said, is defined between $57.16 and $53.17. You know, that defines really your risk really, or it is basically the area where we would like the correction to finish. In a wave 2, the price shouldn't normally break below that 78.6 retracement. Well, if it does, then invalidation becomes much more likely. But there is, technically speaking, that little bit of wiggle room between the lower support and the invalidation point. Now, the invalidation point is $50.18. Below the invalidation point, there is no wiggle room, and the 1-2 setup is invalidated. You know, these 1-2 setups, they normally generate really good setups for higher prices. Are they guaranteed to work out? No, but you see it actually on the chart. The beauty is that the stop is quite tight, is quite close to the current price. And the other element is, if the third wave to the upside starts, it is typically the most aggressive wave. And then we have the $72.80 level, 72.80, as key breakout point and resistance level here on the 4-hour time frame. So it's going to be interesting in the next few weeks. We have to watch that blue support zone. The price already reacted to the 50% retracement, but it's too early to say if we are already in the breakout. That's the update about PayPal. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, yeah, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and also let me know which other tech stocks or cryptocurrencies or other assets you want me to cover in one of the future videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.